Hey, welcome back everyone to the channel, brought to you by yours truly, Scott Tyler, and let's get right into it. Today we have an unboxing of the Apple Watch SE, which came out alongside the Apple Watch Series 6. This is the budget version of the Apple Watch, and it comes with basically all of the main features as well, including the S5 processor, which is a little outdated, but it's still very, very powerful. And to be honest, ladies and gentlemen, this is the most exciting and interesting unboxing I've ever done, just because of the chaos that ensued in this unboxing, and you'll see what I'm talking about later. But just hopping right into it, what you get the basic sports band strap. It's pretty straightforward. Inside the actual Apple Watch box, you get the charging pad that charges via USB Type-C, but sadly, Apple decided not to include a wall adapter or AC adapter in this, so right out of the box, you can't really even charge it. But getting to the actual little device itself, this is the 40mm edition. It's extremely small, and as you can see right here, this is the first fail of this unboxing. I try to peel off this little paper right here, and it just goes horribly wrong, and then the rest of it is just stuck on, and I literally cannot get it off. But I get it off here eventually, and this is the Space Gray edition. It looks super clean, has aluminum sides, and this, ladies and gentlemen, is when all havoc breaks loose. This is me not following the instructions on how to put the band on. I clearly am putting this both the wrong way and at the wrong angle. So it's supposed to easily slide in and click into place. And so after that, it'll just be securely on the thing on the main Apple Watch device. As you can see here, I pull insanely hard. Nothing seems too bad right now. And then as you can see, that metal part at the end where it's supposed to snap into place completely springs, and the metal flies everywhere and the spring flies everywhere. And now my sports band is basically broken and I have to order a new one. So that's that. That's just a quick overview of what happened during this unboxing, but I'm glad I could bring you it anyway. And here's just an overall setup of the device. Super easy to connect. Just scan it on your phone, adjust the font size, all this easy stuff. And after this, you can customize the watch to how you like it, download all the apps you want and such. Apple makes it really easy to set up your Apple device. You can add a passcode. I don't want that, however. And yeah, Apple Watch SE, quick unboxing, super clean look, especially in the space gray color. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I'm sorry about all the chaos that ensued, and hopefully you enjoy this video. Like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. By Scott Tyler. Stay tuned for the full review of the Apple Watch SE.